Hey team, Sally here. So I am happy to announce that the new Coach Basics training has been completed. What you'll see here is I am looking at our coach team page, and basically we've made the decision to embed the training into our team page. That way, having it in the group, it ensures that there's engagement amongst the coaches going on, and you're interacting with other people on the team. This has been our go-to place for asking questions for quite some time. We already share a lot of training here. And this way, no new coaches have to wait for a training group to start. And some people like to work a little faster, and some people like to work a little slower in those training groups. So this way, you'll be able to go at your own pace. You don't have to wait for anybody, and you don't have to kind of speed and catch up and miss things as you're going ahead and doing that. So I went ahead and took into consideration the feedback you gave me the other day when I asked if you would rather have videos, just content, or a combination. So this training will have a combination of videos and content. So what you see here is our team training page, and I have this post pinned to the top. So if you're logging into Facebook from your mobile device or perhaps an iPad, you're going to want to make sure you click on that pinned post so you'll be able to see this. Otherwise, it won't be viewable. And you'll see here, I will be adding this very video to Here's How It Works. So you'll want to go ahead and listen to this first. And then I have broken up the training into 4 weeks. There's about 5 videos per week. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on the first week here, and it's going to open you up to the Coach Basics Training Week 1. So you're going to start with welcome, and you're going to work your way down. I want to make sure I stress that this training goes in order. You're more than welcome to work on multiple days at a time, but I really don't want you to get too far ahead. I don't want you to start at the end and work your way backwards. The training typically works better when the steps build on top of each other. So what you want to do is, let's say, you're all going to start on the welcome training. You're going to go ahead in here, you're going to do the information, you're going to review the videos. Please take the time to review all the videos. And then you're going to tag your coach once you're done with that lesson so they can know where you are. And it kind of acts as a guide for yourself. So I'll just go ahead and tag myself. And that's all we want you to do. It didn't tag me, but make sure it does tag your upline coach so that way it keeps track. Some of these are going to have daily actions, so you're going to post in the comments below a picture. You're going to answer some questions. A lot of them are going to have social media assignments that require you to go to your own Facebook page and complete that assignment. So another thing I do suggest is when you're looking at this post here, the main post, if you want to go ahead and copy all these links, these 4 weeks, and put it in like the notes section of your cell phone, if you're going to be using your mobile device for the training, that'll make sure you don't have to keep coming back to the pinned post to get it. You'll just have that in your notes, and you can work from there.